person whom you're collar dragging, they're not going to lay down, and they're not going to be all like laying there frozen like a 1955 crime mystery where they do the chalk outline, and you have this whole situation where they're just like, they're like this, and now they're like this, you know? You're not going to get that. It's a moment that you have to take advantage of the fact that they're going down, you're going up. What you do with it from there already depends on whether or not you can execute some sort of positional objective, which is why I teach you guys the turtle matrix or the back takes that we've been doing. Because from there you have back take right away, you have circling to north-south, turtle like a sprawl, or you potentially have the ability to go into more elaborate stuff like Eddie Bravo does with the truck and all that like shape. Like loves that stuff. Alright, so look. When I collar drag him here, he's not going to lay there. He's going to pop back up. That's why I have to basically begin to wrestle him and get him in a position that I have the highest likelihood of submitting or controlling at least. Okay? So we're here. Okay? So I went. He pulled his elbows back. I set up. I went here. Pops up right here. So, okay, so he went here now. So fine. So now I have to go into passing the guard. He went to his back. That's common. Because nobody really wants to lay there sprawled out like that, okay? Possibly from here. Go here, and now I have north-south control. I'm controlling the head, I'm controlling this hip, and now I have the ability to begin to attack from north, from turtle matrix. Okay, that's one. From here, he's not moving here. I have the back from here. If I didn't get this hook, he starts turning. Sorry, to the left. Okay. You have and the other stuff, as long as you have the collar. Back. So you have to take advantage of those positions. Now, what's going to happen that's common? Oh, there's one more. Short for shit. So, your right leg typically will get stuck if you don't bump them, but sometimes they kind of stay in the turtle because they feel safe, and you have your right leg hooked. So look, so here, here I go 1, 2, 3 up, and now that knee is stuck. So what I'm going to do is rotate your hip to the right. So here, I'm going to get this as a twister hook. Here, and I'm taking it shade. Right here, we have
Professor filled up like that.
banana split.
Yeah.
Right here, what else we have?
Yeah.
And then from here, we also, okay, the way this works is like this. Let's, the way this works like this, come here. I'll just show you guys the seat. Okay, so the foot's in here. So I got the twister hook, I went here, hook my foot, I go here, I can roll backwards here. Okay, here's how it works, okay? Number one, I go for a banana.
That's the worst.
Split. He begins to bring that knee in. This is a crotch ripper.
That's not very good either.
Okay. He hooks my arm. I hook his foot for the vaporizer. He kicks this leg off with this leg. He pushes my hand off. I go back to this here. Go here. And now you have the twister. Okay, so there's the sequence right there. Or if we're here, I have this hook here and he gets his arm out. And then I'm able to just go back to the back. So you have that from, believe it or not, that collar jack. But what I want you guys to do is, once you get this momentum, and what you really want to do is this. Here's the real drill. You're going to collar, foot on their knee. You're going to hop want to be able to do. Because this foot pushes, this one pulls me forward. I hop and all that. Okay, now you don't want to do that hard because your partner's going to hate you. But the more controlled you do it, the more momentum you have to come back up and bump them. It's like you're tackling. 1, 2, 3. Maybe. Okay. So just come up and tackle them with your midsection to get this foot out. Otherwise, it's going to get stuck. Okay? And if you want, you can practice just solo drill. It's just basically on home. Okay? Before seatbelt. Alright, try that. 1, 2, 3. Practice a solo drill if you like. If not, come up and bump.